Hello students, my name is Rakesh Kumar Sharma, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, RA College of Engineering and Information Technology, and we are going to study the subject MEMS and Nanotechnology, and we are delivering the lecture 4. Topic is nanoparticles. A nanoparticle or ultrafine particle is usually defined as a particle of matter that is between 1 and 100 nanometers in diameter. The term is sometimes used for large particles up to 500 nanometer or fibers and tubes that are less than 100 nanometer in only 2 dimensions. Nanoparticles are usually distinguished from fine particles sized between 100 and 2500 nanometer, and the coarse particle ranging between 2500 to 10,000 nanometer. They are a subclass of the colloidal particles, which are usually understood to range from 1 to 1000 nanometer. Metal particles smaller than 1 nanometer is usually called atom clusters instead. Now the transition from bulk metal to nanoparticle. Bulk metal, in which conduction band and valence band, now convert to large metal cluster 100 atom, and then after convert it small metal cluster about 3 atoms. Now what is nanotechnology? The technologies that measure, manipulate or incorporate material or features which at least one crystal dimensions between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometers, and we can say whose applications exploit properties distinct from bulk or microscopic systems that arise from their scales or critical condition. Now, in summary, what is nanoparticles? Coarse particle smaller than 10 micrometer. Fine particle size smaller than 2.5 micrometer, and the ultrafine particle, the size is smaller than 0.1 micrometer, means 100 nanometer, and the nanoparticle dimensions between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Now the nanoparticles is divided into 2 types: nanospheres and nanoencapsulates. In nanospheres, matrix type structure in which a drug is dispersed, and in nanoencapsulated, membrane wall structure with an oil core containing drug. Now we can say in this diagram nanosphere, where the structure is polymetric matrix, and in nanocapsule in which the upper side is polymetric membrane and the inner part poly or aqueous core. Now the nanostructure crystals is a structure of intermediate size between microscopic or molecular structures. Nanostructural detail in microstructure at nanoscale. In this diagram, nanostructures, bulk crystals, nanoporous materials and nanoparticles. Physical properties often critically depend on the nanoscale structure rather than the long range structure. In describing nanostructures, it is necessary to differentiate between the number of dimensions in the volume of an object which are on the nanoscale. Nanotexturate surfaces have one dimension on the nanoscale, means only the thickness of the surface of an object is between 0.1 and 100 nanometer. Nanotubes are two dimensions on the nanoscale, means the dimension of the tube is between 0.1 and 100 nanometer. Its length can be far more. Finally, spherical nanometers. Spherical nanoparticles have three dimensions on the nanoscale, means the particle is between 0.1 and 100 nanometer in each spatial dimension. Nanoscale structure is in biology is often called ultrastructure. There are two types of materials, metallic and non-metallic. In metallic, good conductors of heat and electricity, malleable and ductile, high melting and boiling points. Examples like as ferrous material means steel, cast iron, and the nanoferrous material like as copper, nickel, zinc, tin. And in nanometallic, not good conductors of heat and electricity, brittle, low melting and boiling points. And the example are ceramics, glass, polymers, wood, cement, stones, plastic, rubber, etc. And the types of nanoparticles, there are three-dimensional, zero-dimensional. In this, all dimensions are reduced to nanometer range. Movement of electron is restricted all three XYZ direction, like as quantum dots, nanoparticles. And in one-dimensional, in this two dimension are reduced to nanometer range and one dimension remains large and electron is allowed to move along this dimension, like as nanowires and nanorods. In two-dimensional, in this one dimension is confirmed to nanometer range and the two dimensions remain large and electron is allowed to move along these two dimensions, like as nanoballs, nanofilms, nanocoatings. And in three-dimensional, in this there is no Confinement in nanorange and electron movement is allowed in all three XYZ directions, like as bulk nanomaterials and nanopowders. And the shape and size dependent properties, the physical and chemical properties of nanomaterials are closely related to size and shape of nanoparticles or nanomaterials. Nanomaterials have high percentage of surface atoms as compared to bulk material, due to which various properties are affected. Nanoparticles also exhibit shape dependent properties that are useful for applications such as catalysis, data storage, optics, and so on. The study of shape dependent properties is quite complex. Reduction is size affect various properties like as melting point, band gap, reactivity, mechanical properties, optical properties, magnetic properties, electrical and electronic properties. Thank you, students.